Archer Aviation will be the official Team USA air taxi at the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles.
Air taxis at the Olympics? Yes, that's the plan. Earlier this year, Archer Aviation was named the official air taxi provider for the LA 28 Olympic and Paralympic Games. Under this deal, Archer has the right to integrate its Midnight aircraft into Games operations, from transporting VIPs, spectators, and athletes between venues, to even supporting security and emergency services during the Olympics. The company plans to build a network of vertiports across Los Angeles. Riders will book flights using an app, just like calling a premium Uber. The Midnight air taxis will bear Olympic and Team USA livery, emphasizing Archer's unique branding rights. In practice, Archer is the only company allowed to operate Olympic-branded air taxi shuttles. No other manufacturer has comparable access or permission to serve the games. Other eVTOL players like Joby Aviation are working on their own networks in LA, but none of them have a role in the Olympics. Likewise, European eVTOL startups have no announced LA plans. Could rivals still fly during the games? Technically, yes, but they would face normal aviation and security rules, meaning they are limited by TFRs set by the Olympic Games near venues, and only Archer will be integrated into those plans. So while others may operate in the background, only Archer is on the official stage. All eVTOL aircraft still need FAA certification before carrying passengers, and none of the leading designs have that as of now. Want to know more about certification of eVTOL aircraft? We'll discuss that in the next video. Without certification, no company may offer paid air taxi services in US airspace, Olympic or otherwise. In addition, Olympic organizers tightly control branding. Only official partners may use Olympic marks or claim Games affiliation. Any rival could still potentially operate private charters if locally permitted, but they cannot use Olympic branding. On the state level, California has been proactive. A new law directs Caltrans to create a vertiport infrastructure plan and even bans local governments from blocking eVTOL operations entirely. But local noise and zoning issues still need to be addressed, especially after Volocopter faced delays in Paris 2024 over environmental pushback. Finally, like discussed before, Olympic organizers will coordinate with FAA on temporary flight restrictions during events. Typically, venues have TFRs for security. An official air taxi partner like Archer can be integrated into those plans, whereas others would need special exemptions. Tokyo 2020 had high hopes for flying cars, but in the end, there were no passenger air taxis. The one prototype attempt, called SkyDrive, crashed during early tests. Paris 2024 aimed to showcase pilotless taxis with Volocopter, but delays in certification and energy concerns meant only a few cargo demo flights took place. No passengers, no air shuttles. Being the LA 28 official air taxi partner gives Archer a massive credibility boost. It signals trust in its aircraft, gives it global branding visibility, and pushes it to scale operations fast, as it also commits Archer to build the necessary infrastructure and to mature its operations by 2028. In a crowded field, this high-profile contract gives Archer a marketing and media edge, because NBC coverage access is also included. Industry-wide, this development spotlights urban air mobility to a global audience. It may encourage regulators worldwide to finalize rules and push other cities to plan vertiports. But the pressure is on. If Archer delivers, LA 28 could become a showcase for the industry. If it stumbles, it may reinforce the caution seen in Tokyo and Paris. Got any questions about air taxis or something else? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our deep dive into certification in the next video.